Check it, 1, 2, 2 on the Zoom. It's Friday the 3rd. Lwen na yin kumaswayan. Ikayo fin kom troeng the kayo le tayo kipensingi. Paing, this is Brother Hair on Kaflu Studios, on Arrraite Kosrae Facebook, and on YouTube. Donasin kat kemo lash masimit. Streaming live all the way from the island of Kosrae. Let me sing y'all in Tolu. Ngat lan mi sing ya 86 degree. Chances of lan off 60%. Fast landing northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Considerable cloudiness with occasional rain and shower. Forecast lash na hoyaka 92% chance lan off. In Kalaning east northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Thunderstorm hoyaka ilakay na relay in kainash toash lan off ofong le na litu. Katsom na ke takak lan fat ay le takak ke el takak ke aw limekos nitlam ngal limekos litue ele tili ke awon kos nitsingala kos oyeka ngay gadan len lash ke set tilinakos 86 degree chances lan off 78%. Eng il dako ke east at 13 miles per hour. Senri 85 degrees and 73% pa chance lan off in kain ash. Kayaning ilaka east ke 13 miles per hour ke Senri lin limekos. Week na phone si mafaringi kada ka expect mo in ash off ke week si mafaringi. Kat wet na mid la mayrik kilin misingi finan Kosrae ma ash kalamay si finan Kosrae. Lut century ECE ka early childhood education level lalosan ilos ako inaro ako graduation talit na losingen misengi eke tevan dok sabi yaw lu na kyaw to luma pa fact fresh year graduation lan talit ke grade level ECE ekay fong yay ka intasto Parents Teacher Association finan nila ilos ak fresh year osin lalos ke lut finan nilan inekaya pa Senator Johnson Asher Ilorela Outreach Lal na yurun community finan nila aksafye ke tiner lalos lalfungi mo en melim pa ilose aram dala lalos na ke lindutuan sette ke podcasting la kaya tudengin kaya nga shamon kata ke tournaments mai fasikya ke summer ke tune week se katli talik yakyu ke kai simraye elosero ahros lalos daro petari shabram ke hip lunch shi dala lap mahakaya kinare ke perfecto ke tune bena pakalim ke micro games 2024 mahakaya kinak freshia finan metro ke Republican Marshall Islands tawa ke tune singal me gorsle na ke tune longol akos ke na yeinge me en Kosrae ako na ke micro games ke yenge ash delegation sila en Kosrae mga ako line som in owl en Kosrae in fact en Kosrae ke micro games dawa ke tune line singal me course na gelo no lago singen elosem dawa mukuile ligi finena ay tama elosem mukuile dawa ke line singaul katoshi day mga en Kosrae ako inu som na ke micro games finan metro pakalan ke iplunch del basket shidal tennis lawn tennis, table tennis, wrestling, we volleyball lan matan. Yak yuan ilos ingin na teboy ye kishipin ako lan kata states ingay ilde na ako yok ash teams ka ash states na tolu pa akademya interest lalos nagipelsing panang ash teboy ye lan team Kosrae ki plan yak yuan. Subefak Lwen assume. Brother here in Kaflu Studios, Aaron Kosrae on YouTube and Facebook Paing. Kuloki wilom ni kipel singian. Kuloki wilom kipel si makum shroingi. Today is Friday. It's Friday the 3rd. Len tolu len misingil. Menge kata marsh. Yurosh kistito nen Kosrae ki government lasha. Len luo tolu. Len luo taria. Misingil len tolu na ke pa SDP ko strategic development plan. Ma en Kosrae. Akfarshe ke consultation lalos ke niki pensingi pinen to fall eke Rose Macquelang Library. Na me SDP ko strategic development plan ma government law shiki nakfarshe. Strategic development plan is a 4-year eye-level document that articulates Kosrae government priorities and development sector vision along with specific targets for focusing workforce efforts and allocating resources. The aims of the Kosrae Strategic Development Plan includes the following: provide government and sector officials and leaders with long-term guidance for decision-making, communicate a prioritized plan to sector stakeholders for addressing a wide range of activities, provide a means for communicating government and sector priorities to Kosrae residents, provide a plan that donor agencies and development partners can use to better understand state priorities and decisions. Provide state government and sector stakeholders with a basis for developing specific action plans and operational approaches for immediate implementation. Complement sector plan implementation for prioritized